Hello everyone, this is Shayan, your friend, and today in this video we're going to talk about the placement scenario of IIM Raipur. So we've already talked about the placement of IIM Kashipur, Ranchi, and Rohtak, which are the part of the new IIMs. And today we are going to talk about the IIM Raipur placement scenario. Okay? So the second generation IIMs or the new IIMs. So we'll cover these 7 new IIMs and then we'll move ahead to the baby IIMs and we'll understand कि उन लोग का placement scenario कब है. So we get a lot of questions regarding the placement scenario of the new IIMs as well as the baby IIMs, as in those who have received calls for these colleges are probably those who have got percentile in the range of 95 to 98 percentile, have received cap calls, have received IIM Rohtak calls. So they're asking about कि क्या ज्वाइन करना चाहिए कि नहीं ज्वाइन करना चाहिए कि अगले साल फिर से देना चाहिए. So this is a video to make you understand कि placement scenario कैसा है and how what do I basically infer from the placement report. ठीक है, how do I basically look at it. ठीक है, so let's start the video. And also before moving ahead with the other slide, there is something very interesting which I'll be revealing at the end of the video, so keep watching the video till the end. This is your friend Shayan starting with the video. Okay. So as we have already said, this is the placement report of IIM Raipur, right? This is the logo of IIM Raipur. Many of you might be joining this college, so just have a look at your coveted bit school. Now, let us come and understand कि एवरेज जो बैच प्रोफाइल है तो उन लोग का एवरेज एक्सपीरियंस क्या है, फ्रॉम वेयर डू दे बिलोंग, व्हाट इज द जेंडर, the gender ratio, मेल एंड फीमेल, एंड ऑल्सो विल अंडरस्टैंड कि जो बैच है वो कौन से प्रोफाइल से आ रहे हैं. ठीक है, सो लेट अस हैव अ लुक at the professional experience. So basically anyone between 0 to 24 months of experience, rather 0 to 12 months of experience, I call them as a fresher, right? Someone having 12 to 36 months of experience is what I call them as an experienced guy. Okay? This is basically the funda for me, how I look at the experience category. So as you can see that 41% of people are basically from freshers category, right? Which is basically 0 to 11 months or 12 months, right? From 12 to 23 months, you have 25%, 24 to 35 months, again 24%, and 36 plus is again 10%. So if you can see that freshers ka percentage is about 41% in this entire batch, which is a very good number. So your chances of getting into the college right after your BTech graduation or BBA or BMS or any kind of a undergrad course is 41% in IIM Raipur, right? Now, for someone who is belonging to this bracket, which is 12 months to 35 months ka bracket, is again having a percentage of 49%, which is again a very good percent, right? So almost close to 50% are belonging from the 12 months to 35 months का bracket. So basically 1 year से 3 years अगर experience होता है, so you're having a high chance, rather 50% chance of getting into IIM Raipur. So as you can see, they equally prefer both the uh, experience bracket. If you are from the freshers category or if you're from the 12 to 36 months category, which is basically what I call the experienced professionals, right? So you have a decent chance. What about the people who have more than 3 years of experience? Again, you also have 10% chance of getting into the batch, right? That's again a very good, that I wouldn't say very good, but again a decent number to get in, right? So we'll look at the batch size as well in a couple of minutes from now. Now let us look at the average experience. Average experience is 27 months, which is about 2 years, 3 months, right? So someone who is having a 2 years experience is getting a good chance of getting into IIM Raipur, right? So those who think that कि मेरा 2 साल का experience हो चुका है, 18 महीने का experience हो चुका है, कि 30 महीने का experience हो चुका है, those who feel that do I still stand a chance in the IIMs? Yes, you do. The answer is yes, you do. ठीक है? Again, let's have a look at the average age. The average age is close to 24 years, correct? So 24 years. So by the time you graduate, you'll be somewhere around 21 to 22 years, right? And then you do a plus, let's say 2 years of work ex. So you're 24 years of age, and you're joining IIM. Okay? So this is basically the formula. You're graduating plus 2 years of work ex. You're getting into IIMs. This is the average age. Okay? There are people who have just completed their graduation and joined IIM Raipur, and there are people who have done 3 years of work ex or 3.5 years of work ex and still join IIM Raipur. Okay? The average age is coming to be 24 years. Right? What is the gender distribution? A little disappointing. 25% is something that you don't see right now. So most of the IIMs have a more than 30-35% of females. Okay? So kind of looks a bit odd in terms of the new IIMs as well as the baby IIMs. But still, I think they'll improve on this gender distribution part, right? Okay, now let us look at the, just a minute, yeah. Let us look at the streams from which they have come, right? कौन से streams से people have come to IIM Raipur? Management is basically BBA, right? BMS. These are management courses. These are undergrad courses. So 4% of the people joining IIM Raipur. Now again, let me just give you a information. This is a batch of 2017 to 19. ठीक है? 2017 to 19 का जो batch है, उन लोग का details है. ठीक है? Now they have arts people 3%, commerce and accounting 11%. That's a good number. Engineering 74%. So those who say that engineering हूँ, क्या मेरा chances हैं? Yes. See, your chances is right in front of you. You have 74% chance of getting into IIM Raipur. Someone having a science background, let's say BSc, doing a BSc or in physics, chemistry, or whatever. So you have a 8% chance of getting into IIM Raipur. Okay? So all those my engineering friends, please have a look at the percentage. It's nearly 75%, right? So 3/4. So out of every 4 people, 3 engineers are getting admitted to IIM Raipur, right? So that's a fair chance of getting into IIM Raipur. Okay. Let us look at the next slide. I'll try to make the video as short as possible so that I don't bore you with the statistics and all those things. Again, at the end of the video, I'll be giving you a very important detail. So please stay tuned with that. Let's look at the batch size. Again, batch size is 207. Previously, it was, I think, 180 or something like that for the batch of 2016 to 18. Now it is 207. So gradually, they're increasing the number of seats, as in because they are gaining confidence on the placements. So with 207, they have placed a good number of to a good number of companies, right? The recruiters have been very good, which we'll see in just a couple of minutes. Now, people registered for placement is 201. Now, what about these 6 people? These 6 people might have opted for, someone might have a family business, someone might be going for entrepreneurship, all those things, probably startup, all those things. So these are the 6 people who have not opted for placement, right? Someone might have come from sabbatical, right? So they might have taken sabbatical from their company. So there are a couple of possibilities. So those who think that 100% placement kyun nahi hua, this is the reason why 100% placement is not there, right? People coming for the college is 207. People sitting for the placement is 201, right? So these 6 people, family business, entrepreneurship or startup or sabbatical. Understood? I hope this is clear. Now, placed through campus, again 201. So all those people who have set for the placement have got the job offers. Entrepreneurship, as I said, 1 people, and family business, 5 people, as I rightly said. Now for 201 people, How many companies have participated? There are about 150 plus companies that have come on campus. New recruiters, 50 plus. That's again a very good news. The people are gaining confidence on IIM Raipur. Companies are saying that yes, they will be getting quality students from IIM Raipur. That is the reason why 50 plus recruiters have joined IIM Raipur. Okay? Let us move to the next slide. The next slide talks about the placement figure. What is the highest domestic citizen? About 24 lakhs. That's great. That's actually great. 24 lakhs. Top 50% have received a package of 17 lakhs. Top 25%, 18.5 lakhs. And the class average, entire 201 batch, have received an average of 14.5 lakhs. Right? Median citizen is 14.12. So this is basically I'm focused on. I'm not that inclined towards average, because average is basically, as you know by this time, average is basically a skewed figure. So I'm more focused on the median citizen. So median citizen is 14.12 lakh. That is, you can call it as 14 lakhs. So that's a great thing to achieve for a new IIM, right? So there are people who have got 17, 18 lakhs. There are people who might have got 12 to 13 lakhs, right? So basically the median is coming out to be 14 lakhs, correct? And obviously there are outliers in the batch who are getting 25, 24 lakhs a package. So if you manage to be in the top 50% of the entire batch, which is basically 100 people of the batch, if you manage to be in the top 100 people of the batch, you're getting a salary of 70 lakhs, and that is actually great. I'll talk about the CTC and then enhanced salary in some other video, but let us understand this as of now. Okay, 14 lakhs median citizen is good. Next, placement by industry, strategy and consulting 27%, banking and finance 23%, IT and IT enabled services 22%, manufacturing 10%, FMCG 10%, and miscellaneous companies will have 8%. Miscellaneous functions, okay, 8%. So you can see that strategy and consulting is leading the placement figures, followed by BFSI and IT. So these are the main three functions or industry that you can talk about in IIM Raipur. Let us look at the list of the recruiters. Prominent names: Accenture, Hero, Accenture. This could be Accenture strategy as well, or Accenture IT. So Accenture is both IT plus strategy. They haven't mentioned which one has come, but we can take both the functions, IT and plus strategy. You have HSBC from the banking sector. You have OYO Rooms. You have ICICI Bank for banking, ICICI Prudential for insurance, Axis Bank, Bank of America, Bajaj Finance, Berger. Berger probably for the marketing role, sales and marketing role, right? Infosys, BPM, iQuanti, Tiger Analytics, again an analytics company, Tata Steel, TSL, Reliance Jio. So good companies coming in IIM Raipur. Larsen & Toubro, L&T, Daily Hunt is again a news channel. You have Indigo. You have Deloitte. Deloitte can be both IT and plus strategy, right? You have Genpact, HDFC Bank. You have Mahindra Logistics. You have Motilal Oswal. It's again a AMC company, asset management company, which looks after the mutual funds and stocks. So Tres Vista Financial Services, again Vedanta is a good company. VGuard is again a good company. Virtusa Polaris is again it's a common name in the most of the IIMs. So Virtusa Polaris is taking a lot of people from the IIMs and XLRIs and the FMS. Again, you have Wipro, Yatra, ZS Associate. I think it's an analytic company, right? So these are the good companies that you can see on campus. So I would say that having a 14 lakh package as the median CTC, it's a good achievement for the new IIMs, especially for IIM Raipur. It's having a good figure. So all those people who have got 95, 96, 94%, and I have got calls from this IIM Raipur, should be looking at joining this, provided you don't have any better calls and provided you don't want to drop another year. So I think this will definitely give you a good impetus to your career, good impetus to your profile, career prospect, and definitely you're getting the IIM brand, of course, and that actually costs way, way, way much than the course fee that they are charging. So we'll also have a look at the website of IIM Raipur. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check the placement report over there as well. So let me just give you the website. Yeah, I think this one. Okay. So I hope you can see the screen. Okay. So this is IIM Raipur ka website. There's a college which I have shared in the thumbnail. You can check it already. So you can look at the programs that they're offering, PGP, right? The admissions, the procedure of PGP admission is given out here. You can check that. I won't make the video long by showing all these things. You can definitely check that out at your leisure time. The parameters are definitely given over here. What parameters do you require? What is the percentile do you require? What is the WAC-PI score, gender diversity, academic diversity? What is an academic diversity? What is an academic profile? What is the work experience? What is the amount of what is the point attached to the work labs? Everything you can check over here. It's written clearly, self-explanatory. You can check that out. Okay. As I said, if you're somewhere between 37 to 42 months of experience, you're getting 6 marks. Maximum marks you're getting between 25 to 36 months of experience, right? So gender, academic diversities you can get BBA, BB, BBI, BBM, so all these things. So you can definitely check that out when you're free, right? So I'll share the link in the description below. And one more thing, which is a bit interesting thing that I wanted to talk about, is basically appear for CAT before CAT has happened, right? What do I mean by that? I mean, go to Google, search Mathretery, right? And click on the Mathretery homepage. So on this homepage, you will find a lot of courses that Mathretery is providing. So Eduneer is in association with Mathretery, and we have started with this national level scholarship test. We have started with a course which is free for all. Everyone can attend the course. The webinars are free. The FB events are free. The Facebook events are free. So what I want you to do is you can check out the courses over here. You have the self-paced learning. You have CAT one-to-one learning. You have also GMAT if you are looking for ISB and other abroad colleges. So what I want you to do is right now, you go to the student dashboard, click on student dashboard. Once you click on that, we'll have a page opening which says CAT 2020 preparation self-paced comprehensive course, online webinars, QA self-paced course, LRDI, VRC. So what you need to do is you can check those courses out, what are the offerings in the course. And what I want specifically is to go to the national level scholarship test out here, right? You have national level scholarship test out here. Click on the image. You'll be getting a site where you'll be asked to enroll for free. You'll be asked to enroll for free, right? So this is basically a 60 minutes ka test. Total marks is 102. You'll be having 3 different sections: QA, LRDI, and VA. So this is a kind of a mini test. The test is very, very important for you to understand where you stand right now and where you want to go. Lovely analytics that will be provided on 27th of April. Why 27th of April? Because 26th of April midnight tak tum log ka ye test live rahega. So what happens is basically top 3 in the leaderboard. So there will be hundreds of people, thousands of people who will be giving this test. So top 3 in the leaderboard will be getting free 10 hours of one-to-one doubt clearing classes, live sessions. Mark my word, it's a live session. Top 5, 25% off in the self-paced learning course. Top 10 in the leaderboard would be getting free one-to-one strategy session with the academic head. Right? Academic head is Soma Chakrabarti. Right? So he's I'm Lucknow alumni, and you'll be getting a lot of other features when you click for the free model that they have. I'll show you the free model. Uh, for that, you need to go to Mathautory page once again, and you need to click on the CAT course, which is a trial course, right? So there are some 27 lectures plus practice lessons, which is over there, and this is basically valid for 3 days. So I hope you get the best out of it. Correct. So that's it for today. This is your friend Shayan signing off, and I'll be share the link of I Am Raipur as well as Mathautory in the description box below. You can go ahead and check that out. Thank you guys. This is me signing off. Thank you.